In front of me is Nokia G50 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can operate App Permission Manager on this smartphone. Firstly, open Settings and choose Apps and Notifications. Now just advance over here, click on Permission Manager and select one of those phone's features, like Location. Click at the chosen one and pick one of your apps. For example, Maps. Select one of the options by tapping on the chosen one. Allow all the time, allow only when using the app, ask the time or deny. I will go with allow all the time, so when I go back, I can tap Maps gained access to this device location. But you can also just tap on one of your apps, select the all maps permissions over here and manage all of them for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!